Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
At first glance, you probably wouldn't expect this phone to pack such a massive 920 milliamp hour battery, but it absolutely does. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the newly launched iQOO Z11, which just dropped today. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The unit we have here comes in the Azure Wave Radiance finish. It looks like a clean light blue at first, but when you tilt it, you'll notice layered textures that give it a really fresh and dynamic appearance. In hand, it feels great too, thanks to its rounded edges, and surprisingly, it doesn't feel bulky or overly heavy, even with that huge battery inside. And this isn't just about stuffing in a bigger battery, it's actually a leap forward in battery density technology. So what does that mean for real-world usage? We ran a 3-hour battery test to find out. The environment was set at 25 degrees Celsius, screen brightness at 200 nits, about 62%, volume at 50%, and connected to Wi-Fi. After 1 hour of streaming 1080p video, the battery dropped just 4%. Watching Douyin for another hour consumed 8%, and an hour on Weibo used up 10%. Altogether, after 3 hours of light use, only 22% of the battery was gone. So if your usage is similar, getting through an entire day and then some won't be a problem at all. Charging is just as impressive. The phone supports 90-watt SuperVOOC flash charge, and in our testing, it went from 1% to 49% in just 30 minutes, hitting a full charge in exactly 1 hour. For a battery this large, that's seriously fast. Now, with a battery this big, you might be wondering, can it double as a power bank? The answer is yes. It supports reverse charging, which is super handy. However, the included cable is USB-A to USB-C, so if you want to use reverse charging, you'll need a USB-C to USB-C cable separately. On the plus side, it supports multiple charging protocols, so it works well with different chargers without being too picky. Moving on, let's talk about another big highlight, gaming. The iQOO Z11 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 paired with a flagship-level tuning system and advanced cooling. It also features a display with up to a 165 Hz refresh rate. Thanks to this setup, the phone can handle ultra-high frame rate gaming, including 165 FPS modes in games like Counter-Strike Online and Valorant, as well as 144 FPS in Honor of Kings. And going forward, support for even more high frame rate titles is expected. To really see how it performs, we tested it with Honor of Kings. The setup was the same, 25 degrees Celsius room temperature, 200 nits brightness, performance mode fully enabled, and a full peak-ranked match played without the matchmaking wait time. Under these conditions, the iQOO Z11 delivered an average frame rate of 143.9 FPS, with peaks reaching 125.6 FPS. Power consumption averaged just 4.3 watts over 30 minutes, and battery usage was only 6%. But beyond the numbers, what really stood out was the experience. Everything felt incredibly smooth. From executing skills to moving the camera across the map, it was just fluid all the way through. On a deeper level, the phone's performance management is actually pretty smart. The CPU automatically adjusts its frequency and usage based on what you're doing in real time, which helps it maintain smooth frame rates while keeping power consumption low and heat under control. After finishing a gaming session, the highest temperature we recorded on the body was 43.7 degrees Celsius, while the screen peaked at 40.1 degrees Celsius. So it does get warm, but nothing uncomfortable. In terms of both battery life and heat, you can comfortably keep playing until the system gives you a health reminder without any issues. Now, shifting gears to cameras and durability, the iQOO Z11 isn't really focused on heavy photography. It's more about practicality. It comes with a 50 megapixel main camera featuring a 11.95-inch sensor and optical image stabilization. For everyday tasks like scanning QR codes or snapping quick photos, this setup works perfectly fine. Durability is where this phone really stands out. It comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance and has also passed 7 national military-grade tests. That rugged build, combined with its built-in professional mode, makes it especially useful for people who work outdoors, like delivery riders or ride-hailing drivers. The phone can automatically interact with apps to turn features on or off, boosting screen brightness and improving network performance when needed. Overall, the iQOO Z11 delivers incredible value. You're getting a massive, nearly 10,000 milliamp hour battery with outstanding endurance, solid performance, and a super smooth 165Hz display that supports a wide range of high frame rate games. On top of that, it includes useful extras like imaging capabilities, strong durability, NFC, dual frequency GPS, an X-axis linear motor, and stereo dual speakers. As for pricing, the base variant starts at 2,299 yuan in China, which is roughly £250 in the UK and about $333 in the US. If you're planning to stick with a phone for a few years, the iQOO Z11 looks like a reliable choice that can deliver a great long-term experience. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, everyone.